Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will get notified. So this is LinkDM review and tutorial. So we're going to be checking out if this is one of the best Instagram automation or maybe Facebook automation platform for automatic DMs and maybe posting as well. So these tools can actually help you in different methods to grow your business, your brand, and if you're a creator, you can also use these tools. So many agency owners are also using these particular tools. So just checking on the features. So over 150 millions Instagram DM sent, 12 million link click monthly, and 5 million comments sent monthly, along with over 25,000 happy LinkDM users. So who is using LinkDM? So these are some creators which of course they have put in together for you to see that people are really using LinkDM for their business, and these are brands and these are niches that are working along with LinkDM. So Mavely creator, I know this particular one, Amazon creators, LTK creators, food creators, and many others like that. So they also partner with Meta business. So Meta is owned by Facebook, which means you are actually in safe hand, and there is features which is unlock the full potentials of LinkDM. So post automation, reels automation, Facebook automation, inbox starters, story mention, story automation, next post, click analytics, flow automation, and many other, which of course I believe it will definitely help you in growing your business. And all these one are the pro features, which of course if you subscribe you definitely enjoy them, and if you don't subscribe then that means you won't have access to use them. So scrolling all the way down, you also see some trusted review by creators, brand, and agencies, which are also very important for you to see. And scrolling all the way down to see the feature breakdown, so you can see auto reply to Instagram reel comment, then auto reply to Instagram post comment, and auto respond to Instagram story reply, auto reply to Instagram story mentioned, and inbox status. Then you have auto reply to sponsored ad comment, and there's LinkDM referral program, which of course you can also sign up for. And you also have LinkDM partner program. And then scrolling all the way down, some frequently asked questions, which of course I believe you might have one or two questions in mind which you might be very much interested to ask the platform. But then once you scroll down, you don't need to wait for them to reply you. So just check if one of the questions you actually want to ask is there already. So just check them by clicking, then you see the answer to that question. And once you are ready, you can just click on the link in the description to sign up on the platform, and then you're gonna get started. And let's check on the pricing, which is also very important then before we go up and create an account on LinkDM. So checking on the pricing page, so these are the pricing 3 tiers pricing plan. So there is a free one, there is pro plan, and there's platinum plan. So for the free account, you can actually connect one Instagram account and send up to 1,000 DM per month, and these are the free features that is included: access last 10 posts, link unlimited posts and reels auto reply, Facebook automation, story automation, next post, and inbox starter. So we also have the pro plan, which is the popular one, which people are actually subscribing to. You can connect up to 3 Instagram accounts and send up to 25,000 DMs per month. Everything is free, everything in free features right here, plus remove LinkDM branding, so comment auto reply, and some other features like that. So you can see right there. Then there is platinum, which is $99. So you can connect up to 5 Instagram accounts and send up to 300,000 DMs per month. Everything listed in pro plan. So then including the early access to new features, live chat with LinkDM team, and DM overflow queue, right? So these are all the features which of course I believe you might be very interested in to check out. So there's LinkDM for partners, which of course you're going to be benefiting all these features right there, for custom DM branding and all that, powered by Amazon, so there's an enterprise, but then you might not need all this one, I guess. So there's plan comparison, which of course you already know that the free one will be the lesser one to the other ones, right? So everything is listed right there. So once you are okay and you have decided on which one you actually want to go for, just click on upgrade to pro, and if you want to use the free one, you can just click on get started for free. So I'm going to be using the free account, so then we're gonna see the inside and how you can actually connect your Facebook account to or your Instagram account to LinkedIn. So after clicking on create an account, so I was able to jump on this particular page right here. So after filling up my details, so they asked me to attach Instagram account through my Facebook account. So connect with Facebook to access your Instagram account. So there are some people that maybe your Instagram is not on the same email or on the same profile with your Facebook account, and maybe it's connected, so either ways. So I'm gonna be connecting my own Facebook account, so then maybe I'll have access to my Instagram account as well. So I'm using a different browser, so I'm gonna open that. All right, so on the other browser, so I'm gonna click on login, then provide my email and password. Alright, so I'm gonna click on login. Alright, save password. Alright, so you can see from the other browser it's still the same, and you can see the reason why you need to connect your Facebook account. So I'm very sure the platform is actually okay. So I'm gonna click on Facebook login. Alright, so you can see connect as my name. LinkDM will receive your name and profile picture, and if that's not your Facebook page, you can say login into another account. So I'm gonna click on continue as my name. So I'm gonna click on continue. Then it's asking for a page to connect to. So I think I have some pages on my Facebook account. So choose the page you want LinkedIn to have access to. Later you will be able to review what LinkedIn will be able to do with the page you select. So right, so opt into current page only, opt into all current and feature page. So you can just select the page you want it to have access to. I think I'll be doing okay, I have this one right here, which is must be media. So let me connect to this one. So I think I'm supposed to see where to continue. Oops. I think is there a problem? I don't know. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to say where to go from here, but then I don't know why it's not it's not showing where to proceed to the next page. Okay, after clicking on opt into all current and feature page, so I think that's the only option that I can choose before I can be able to proceed. You can see that right there. So I'm gonna click on this, opt into all current and feature pages. This will give LinkedIn access to your current page in addition to any page you create in the future. Wow, this is asking for too much, but then let's just proceed. Click on continue. Then click on choose the business you want LinkedIn to access. So opt into all current and feature pages. Still the same thing. I'm gonna click on continue. Then I think there is much to do, so I'm gonna click on this one. So just my I think this is just my name. Okay, this is just my Instagram page. choose the Instagram account that you want LinkDM to access. Okay, I think this is cool, so I'm gonna select the two, right? So I'm gonna click on continue. Then this one right here, so review LinkDM access request. So receive your email address. This integration enable to access the connection to. So I think there should be somewhere on this page where I'm supposed to be able to continue, but all the options are not working, and there is no special page to like proceed to the next section. Or maybe I receive an email, I'm not sure. Let me check on my phone if there's an email sent. So I did not receive any email from the platform, so I don't know what exactly and how exactly this works, but about business integration and all that. So I'm not really that sure if there's any page or any way to proceed from here. But then let me try to check on this. So I'm not sure if this will work, but then let me go back to where I'm coming from on the other browser. If I thought this thing I've connected already, but I doubt that. Let's see if it has connected. It's not connected, so I don't know why it's not connected, but then maybe I will try to reach out to the customer support and update this video on how to connect. But this is just a full review about the platform, and then of course if you also have any question, I'll also guide you through how to probably reach out to the customer support center. Thank you.